What is customer lifetime value? Well, the definition is the amount of revenue a customer generates during their relationship with a business, and it's calculated by multiplying the average purchase per year times the amount of years they'll be with the company or they'll be buying from the company. Or it is the purchase price times the purchasing frequency times the relationship with the business or customer lifespan, sorry. And it is good to know the lifetime value of a customer, one, just to see if you can improve upon the lifetime value of a customer and increase it, or to compare it to the customer acquisition cost so you know exactly how much profit a customer is generating, so you know how much you should be spending to acquire that customer. Usually the benchmark is to have a lifetime value of 3 times the customer acquisition cost. Although I'm not going to cover the customer acquisition cost in this video, it is a separate metric than the customer lifetime value. All right, so here is the formula and an example of the formula being done. So customer lifetime value, average yearly spend. So average yearly spend is monthly spend times 12, or that is the spending and frequency just put into one to simplify it a little easier, and the duration of the customer. So this customer lifetime value, let's say it's a hypothetical restaurant called Ben's Bagels. Every time they come into my bagel shop, they spend $25 because I make the best bagels ever. And then so they come in once a week, so that's $100 a month times 12, $1,200 a year. Times 5 years, that's usually the average duration of a customer for like a restaurant business, because usually stay in one place for 5 years before they move or some other circumstance happens in their life. $6,000 would be the lifetime value of a customer that spends $100 a month. Pretty easy. And then I wanted to explain the power of word of mouth, because let's say the customer has a good experience. They tell 10 friends about their good experience. They all come to the restaurant. Then you get an extra $60,000 over their lifetime. Bad experience, then they don't come to the restaurant and you miss out on $60,000. So make sure you give your customers a good experience, and then you will get all the lifetime value and more from the customer. Have a nice day. Hope this helped, and I'll explain some more concepts after. And also, sorry it's on a handwritten piece of paper. I might set up a whiteboard, but that's probably not going to fix my handwriting anyways. Have a nice day.